I have a sickness. You guys, I got another bag. I got another bag from Hermès.com. Hermès.com. I have a sickness. I bought another. I literally cannot stop. I cannot stop shopping. I see it and I have to get it. It's like literally an addiction. I'm addicted to these bags. I'm addicted to Hermès. Addicted. Okay, so I got another bag at Hermès.com. As you guys know, Hermès.com you can buy online. And for those of you that don't, like a lot of people think it's really hard, but it's not. You just have to be right place, right time, and keep trying and be diligent about it. I've gotten many bags on the site online, and this is something I didn't need. I literally already got this bag. I just got this exact same bag in a different color in Paris. And then my friend, the day we got back, my friend texted me a link to the website in the morning, because we always text each other when we see them if we want anything. And we have a little text group, and my friend texted me, and I clicked on it, and it was available. There were 4 of them available, and I just put it in my cart, and without even thinking, I just bought it. And then I was like, why? I just got this bag. Granted, I do like this color better, but I don't need it. I also still, for an unboxing channel, I still literally have no unboxing, like, stuff. What the hell? Okay. Anyway. This isn't working. Oh, okay. Oh my God. Talk amongst yourselves. Okay. Again, already got this bag. And what's worse, I'm getting a third one. I've unboxed this bag. I already have 3. This is my third. I'm getting one at the store too. Because I've been asking for this bag for a while, and so, well, actually not for a while. I asked for my SA to get me this bag. I said, do you happen to have it available? Because I wasn't in love with the color that I got. And my SA was like, oh yeah, it's gonna be a very long time. Please wait. But let me put in the order. And then literally the next day, this came available. And that afternoon, my SA said, I have this one. I was like, are you kidding me? Okay, so it comes in this kind of box when you get it from online. In a little tray. No, don't do that. They package it so well. If you guys know me, you already know what this bag is, but receipt. Ah! Price is so high. Oh. I can't even. By the way, price difference between the US and Paris is laughable. This is $9,000 after tax in the US. It's $5,400 in France after VAT back. 5,400 euros or whatever. Let's say it's 6. $3,000 difference. 33% price increase. Okay. Here she is. Okay. Is a mini Jypsiere in noir with palladium hardware in Evercolor. Oh my God, you guys, this is it's like a little, okay, first of all, but I would wear a crossbody. I'd never wear it like that, although you could. It is basically it's like a Birkin and a Kelly had a baby on a strap, on a crossbody strap with an Evelyn, maybe. Only thing I don't like about this bag is that you cannot remove the crossbody straps. You can't like wear it like a little clutch, but otherwise this is, and I don't love the palladium, but I think it's okay because I have everything in gold, so I should get some palladium things, except for my Hakadoses. So like, the other 2 I got are both gold, so it's fine. When you want a little more casual. Also, black Evercalf color. I've never even used that before, but I'm getting Evercolor on everything right now. Like this is the other one I'm getting is Evercolor. The Kelly to Goes that I all got are Evercolor. I guess Evercolor is becoming a lot more popular because it's like soft and supple like Swift, but it has a little bit of grain and it's durable, like it's pressed, and it's a pressed leather like Epsom. And the other one I got was Swift, so. Stop. Oh, I don't have words. I don't have words. I have to go. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Little Jypsiere. I'm gonna be. Bye.